In this video, we'll explore Scene Mode in Shapelab, how to enter and exit it, and how to use its core tools to manage and organize objects in your scene. In VR, you can switch between Edit Mode and Scene Mode by pulling down the thumbstick on your secondary controller. You can also use the Mode button located at the top left of your tool palette. Scene Mode gives you access to tools for selecting, creating, duplicating, deleting, and combining objects. The Select tool allows you to choose an object and make it active. Once selected, you can move, rotate, scale, or edit that object. Only one object can be active at a time. If you trigger selection in empty space, you'll select the parent object, allowing you to transform multiple objects at once. You can also manage objects through the document outline, where you can hide, lock, delete, duplicate, rename, or export objects. The Create tool lets you quickly add new objects to your scene. You can choose from parametric primitives or template objects and spawn them either as polymesh or voxel objects. You can also enable symmetry when creating objects. Using global symmetry, new objects will be placed relative to the scene's center, ensuring perfectly mirrored placement. The Clone tool allows you to duplicate objects in your scene. Simply select the tool, hover over an object, and pull the trigger on your primary controller to create a copy. The Delete tool lets you remove objects from your scene. Activate the tool, hover over an object, and pull the trigger to delete it. You can also delete objects from the document outline panel. The Boolean tool allows you to combine objects in different ways. You can merge, subtract, intersect, or join objects. Select the tool, then choose your A and B objects and apply the desired operation. The results will always preserve the transform of the A object, while the B object is either merged into or subtracted from it. If needed, you can reselect your objects by clicking in the A or B fields. You can also reshape primitives interactively using Shape Reform. Simply hold the thumbstick while working in the Create tool to adjust the form directly in the scene.